If the screen of your Galaxy Tab A9 or the A9 Plus 5G is flickering, so in this video I will give you 4 methods on how you can fix this issue. And watch this video till the end because the 4th method will most likely fix your issue. So let's get started. Now first of all, you should perform a force restart on your tablet. Now to do that, just press and hold the power button and the volume down button at the same time until the screen of your tablet goes black. And once the screen goes black, just release both of the buttons. Now after the force restart process is completed, then just go to your home screen and check if your issue is fixed or not. If your issue is still not fixed, then for the next method, just swipe down from the top right of the screen and open the control center. In the control center, just tap on the power icon. Now after you do that, you will open the power menu on the screen. Now just tap and hold on the power off icon until you see safe mode on the screen. Then tap on it and turn on safe mode on your tablet. And after you enable safe mode on your tablet, all the third-party apps on your tablet will be disabled. And in safe mode, if you have noticed that the flickering issue is solved, then this means that the third-party app which you have installed is causing this issue. So just go to Settings, and under Settings, just scroll down and tap on Apps. Now, under the Apps section, just scroll down and look for any third-party app which you have installed recently. And also look for any suspicious app which you have not installed. And after you find the app, just tap on it and select Uninstall. Now just select OK. And after you do that, then go to your home screen and perform a restart on your tablet. For that, just open the control center and tap on the power icon. Then select Restart. And after your tablet finishes restarting, you will turn off safe mode. Now just check if your issue is fixed or not. In most cases, this will fix your issue. But if your issue is still not fixed, then just follow the third method. For that, just swipe down from the top right of the screen and open the control center. In the control center, just tap on the power icon. And after you do that, you will open the power menu. Now just power off your tablet. Now after you completely power off your tablet, then for the next step, just press and hold the power button and the volume up button at the same time until you see the Samsung logo on the screen. Just like that. Just press and hold the power button and the volume up button at the same time. And after you see the Samsung logo on the screen, just release both of the buttons. Now as you can see, we have successfully entered into recovery mode. Now to navigate this screen, just press the volume down button and select Wipe Cache Partition. And after you select Wipe Cache Partition, just press the power button and confirm Wipe Cache Partition. Now just press the volume down button and select Yes, and press the power button to confirm this action. And after you do that, you will clear the cache partition on your tablet. Now just press the power button to reboot your tablet. Now from here, just check if your issue is fixed or not. If your issue is still not fixed, then go to Settings, and under Settings, just scroll down and tap on Software Update. Tap on Check for New Update. Now to check the software update, just make sure that your tablet is connected to the internet. And from here, just check if you have any software update available or not. If you have any software update available, just update the software of your tablet, as this could be a software glitch which will be fixed through a software update. And after you do that, then just go back and under the main settings page, just tap on General Management. From here, just scroll down and tap on Reset. And on this page, just select Reset All Settings. Tap on Reset Settings and enter your lock screen PIN. Then tap on Done and tap on Reset. Now by doing that, you will reset all the settings of your tablet. And this option will not delete any data of your tablet. It will just reset all the settings of your tablet in case if you have enabled a setting which might be causing this issue. But if you have done all that and if none of these methods worked, then you might have a hardware problem with your tablet. Just take your tablet to any service center and they will fix your issue. And this is how you can fix the screen flickering issue on the Galaxy Tab A9 or the A9 Plus 5G. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.